Hi, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins looking at the severe weather threat for Thursday and Friday. I'm going to show you this forecast model first and then a couple other ones that show a few different things. Interesting storm setup because it doesn't have the perfect time for it. Usually, late afternoon into the evening hours. This is interesting. I mean, this is Thursday morning and already seeing clusters of storms, mainly in Kansas between Wichita and Lincoln. And that's just basically the first wave. And then that moves into parts of southwestern Missouri and southeastern Kansas by Thursday afternoon. And then another line of storms follows behind that. And this one heads north and northeast towards Nebraska, northeastern Kansas. And then there's more clusters behind that. So this is just like over and over and over again. You can see by 2:30 in the morning on Friday, several different clusters of storms out there in Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Tennessee, Oklahoma, and Texas. And then a line kind of shows up. You're looking at a line kind of like right there by Friday morning. So that'll be something to watch. And then that moves, everything moves to the north and east, still lingering in Nebraska by noon into Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, Arkansas, down towards Texas. So this is a weird setup. And the timing is a bit weird, and we'll see what happens. But the cape, the fuel for the fire, so to speak, is there. This is Thursday evening. Notice from Kansas, Oklahoma to Texas. It kind of lessens a little bit by Friday morning, which usually happens, but it's still there from Nebraska down towards Texas. And it just continues to make its way east. That's why there's fuel out there for these storms to keep reforming all the way through Thursday, through Friday, even into Saturday and Sunday as this moves off to the east a little bit. Significant hail. Just about everybody in the center part of the U.S. has a decent chance for some large hail from about South Dakota south, especially into parts of Oklahoma and Texas. Now, the good news is the significant tornado parameter, and we're a little far away from the actual storms themselves, but so far, it's not widespread. Granted, this is through Thursday morning, so still a ways to go with this particular model. But early signs show this is mainly a wind and hail threat. But the significant tornado parameter may increase as we head towards the end of the week. So because of all of this, Thursday, you have that the enhanced risk smack dab in the middle from Kansas to Texas and Oklahoma. The slight risk, that's a level 2 out of 5 in the yellow, and then the green, that's your level 1, your marginal risk, a lesser chance. But from Nebraska to Texas, you've got that chance for severe weather Thursday. Now, is it Thursday morning or Thursday afternoon? Kind of both. Just depends on which part of the country you're in and when those storms develop. Again, Nebraska kind of on the northern fringe of this with that slight risk in south central and southwest Nebraska. Then on Friday, everything pushes east a little bit from eastern Nebraska into Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And then even into Saturday, still kind of in the same area. And you know what? Sunday too, just a little further east from Chicago all the way down to Dallas for your severe weather threat. Just an interesting storm setup, so it's something to keep an eye on. Make sure you have your weather radios plugged in and turned on and programmed and everything else. And make sure you have your favorite TV station all fired up and ready to go in case severe weather happens in your neck of the woods. Like and subscribe. If anything happens in my neck of the woods, I'll be on YouTube Live, streaming services doing that and making sure everybody knows what's going on. So like and subscribe so you know when that happens. We'll talk to you next time.